Neutrinos, Klanghaus. Hey, yeah. No, we're in King's Lynn. We're working on Manifesto with Collusion. That's right. Well, we're here to play, to listen, and to amplify the voice of young people. Voice, yeah. Well, to help them create their own town-wide climate manifesto. No. There'll be loads of stuff between now and then. Projections, some kind of sound walk, a video shoot. There'll be a number of arcs, respectful conversations. Yeah, they're a safe way of exploring difficult subjects with people of opposing points of view. Yeah. And there'll be a parade of box heads, of course. Make your own. Finale is May the 13th. Corn exchange. Bring them all. Okay. Yeah. We'll see you then. Oh, hey, listen.